Apple has unveiled the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, featuring the dynamic island, previously exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro, for improved alerts and live activities. These phones boast a display with 2000 nits of brightness in direct sunlight, double that of the iPhone 14. Eco-conscious users will appreciate the increased use of recycled materials, with 100% recycled cobalt in the battery and 75% recycled aluminum in the frame. The main camera has been upgraded to 48 MP, offering better detail and brightness. Portrait mode is enhanced, with post-photo enabling, focus and depth controls, and more realistic skin tones. Both models are powered by the A16 Bionic chip, promising improved CPU, GPU, and ML performance. Battery life is touted as all-day, with the Plus model lasting longer due to a larger battery. Ultra-wideband capabilities have been enhanced for improved connectivity and location tracking. Voice quality is improved with machine learning, and a voice isolation mode reduces external noise. Emergency SOS via satellite can summon roadside assistance even without a cell signal, free for 2 years. One significant change is the switch to USB-C for charging, data transfer, and more, eliminating the Lightning connector. The 48 MP camera is now standard, offering 24 MP and 2x lossless zoom modes. Charging speeds remain unchanged, but wireless charging is now at 15W. Storage options are 128 GB by default, with higher capacities available. All models run iOS 17. Unique to the iPhone 15 is enhanced ultra-wideband connectivity, improving object and location tracking. While the Pro models may steal the spotlight, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus offer significant improvements, including a comfortable design, dynamic island camera, 48 MP main camera, and USB-C charging, all at the same price as the previous generation. Stay tuned for hands-on impressions and a detailed review to determine if the iPhone 15 is your next smartphone.